Hey, it's Greg Fritz coming to you from Icon Collision. We're down here in Memphis, Tennessee. This week we just did an install of some frame machines, some conveyance setups, and we're here to do some training today. Yesterday we did some training, and we're going to talk to Jonathan and his crew and get an insight as to what they feel, how things are going right now.
Absolutely. We love it, first of all. At first it seems like a lot, but as you see the thought process and how things are planned out and kind of the intention behind each piece, it clicks. This is the first one we've ever benched, and honestly it went much better than we thought, so yeah, we're excited.
Great. What do you think, Alex?
I like it. It's something that you hear about a lot in the collision industry. It's Celette benches, and not a lot of people really, own up and buy the product. And being in and out of shops my entire life, where people just script on equipment or not, it lives up to everything I've ever heard about. It's pretty cool using it.
Well, that's a
super exciting.
beautiful compliment. Thanks. I like that. And this young man here, this is his first time ever using a bench or anything of this sort, but I have to tell you, he's done a great job. He's done a great job. So, do you have an opinion you want to share with us?
Yeah. Oh man, the detail of it, how to set it up, seriously made it super easy. I mean, really can't see where you go wrong if you follow the sheet on just how to set it up.
Yeah.
Very user friendly.
Okay, so what do we got here? We got us a Tesla
Model Y.
Model Y. What year is it?
It's a 2022.
2022, brand new. Okay. So we have it set up in diagnostics right now, folks. All right. So I'll just take you around the car real quick and show you. We mainly just have it set up on the 4 cradle points in the front and 4 cradle points in the rear. Okay. That's about all I got for you at the moment, folks. We're going to do some more training today. We're going to get this all ironed out so they can learn how to set up the side gantry and angle jigs. Okay? Maybe I'll do some more video on it later, but this is what I got for you now. This is Greg Fritz, your roaming reporter, coming to you from Icon Collision Center, Memphis, Tennessee. If you like these videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.